The purpose of this video is to show how variance you find in, say, an intervention compared to other variances in the system. Let's imagine that there is a new educational app called EduLearn designed for high school students. And we want to know, does the number of hours spent on EduLearn predict high school GPA? So we run a regression with an R-squared of 18, and we find that it's a very significant result. And so what that tells us is that 18% of the variance is predicted by EduLearn, and there's 82% of the variance is something else. But we might find out that actually the rest of the variance looks like this, where 30% of variance is predicted by social economic status, 23% is predicted by the education level of students' parents, and 20% is predicted by what school they go to. So you can see now how the EduLearn impacted a population and what kind of place it has relative to all these other effects. And I think this is important because if you're a researcher or a policymaker, you can start to make a decision on what things have the biggest impact on students. Do we want to invest in EduLearn, or do we want to pay more attention to SES and try to make impacts that way? This can also help you run better experiments because you know where some of this other variance comes from and you can control for it in the future.